Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be seeing different options which you have while printing an Excel workbook. So we are in the print screen. So here in print screen, you can see on the left side options, which are the default options in Microsoft Excel for which you can customize your print document. So first and foremost is print active sheet. So it gives an option where you can print the entire sheet, worksheet, or you can print only the selected items of your document. And second one, for example, now as of now there is only one document which is only part of the document it is selected, only that it will be coming. So for example, I have selected only this much: file, print, print selection. So only a selected part of the document is being printed. And you have options of margins, where narrow margin which reduces the margin, and you have a wide margin which gives more margin on all the sides of the document, and one is the normal which is a default one. And the last is scaling, whether see, for example, the data which I am printing, let's say print active sheet, you can see the data is coming for the two sheets, one of two, and second sheet it is giving only a printing of half of sheet. So I want all the document to be printed in one sheet, so I'll go for scaling. Fit all columns in one page means all the 7 columns, or if it is more than that, to all the columns in one sheet itself, or all the rows in one page. So if I click all the rows in one page, you can see the second page is gone and all the document is being tried to print in the same sheet itself. So based on your requirement, or based on your adjustment, or based on your needs, you can change, customize by changing margins, scaling, by selecting what media, what content to be printed, and you can even change the orientation of the page. I hope this session gave you more idea about this thing. Thanks for watching.
If you like the video, then share and subscribe. Detail Excel course link is in the description.